Okay, here are the items that I purchased. This is Bonnie Hawkins, and these the items that I purchased today. Okay, I purchased the celery. Okay, it's for my healthy eating diet lifestyle, and I also got a purchase of lettuce, a purchase of celery. Okay, and I also purchased cucumber. Also purchased more tomatoes and onions. This is just one of the onions that I took from the pack. I purchased of course, potatoes, of course, that's just one I took from the pack. It represents the pack that I brought today, and I also brought some radishes. I also brought some red pepper. Okay. I also purchased the extra virgin olive oil, and also purchased more of the detox organic apple cider vinegar, the White House brand. I also purchased more tuna in the can, and I purchased 2 cans of chicken breast in water, fully cooked, premium chunked chicken breast. I also purchased more of the bacon bit sprinklings for my salads, my tossed salads, and also this for my tossed salads. This is salad toppings, crunchy and flavorful, and these are both the McCormick brand, and of course my seasonal salt, the no season salt I should say. And of course I got more of the crispy garlic pepper, crispy onion. These are all dried flavors. And of course along with that I got the as you can see, more of the cranberry honey roasted dried cranberry and honey roasted almonds for my salads. Okay, and I got my, as you can see, and I've already used a little bit out of it, but I've got the wishbone salad dressing and that's the French dressing, and this is the chunky blue cheese wishbone flavor, and Dijon mustard, and everything else that you see on the table that I may have missed. I purchased these today because this is Bonnie B. Hawkins, and you know I'm doing a eating more healthier diet. So, and within this diet, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my. Keep in mind, first of all of my preparations and things I prepare, these are things that I, from time to time, may add more to it, or I may cook it. Make them in a different way. Like my chicken salad, I'll be making chicken salad. I'll be making tuna salad. I'll be making potato salad. I'll be making different types of tossed salads. I'll be making egg salad. I'll be making different types of salads, and I also will be making like cucumber, onion, and tomato into a little salad. Okay, these three ingredients that you see I got right here, I'll be making them into salads and different types of salads. If you stay tuned, I'll be making them in different ways. So each time you see a video and I'm making another kind of chicken salad, I may make it a little different way. Like sometimes in my chicken, in my tuna salad, sometimes you'll see me putting egg, hard-boiled egg in it, crushed up all hard-boiled egg. Sometimes I won't be using that in it. There's different ways to prepare a meal, and so I'm going to be working with that. And I'm going to try to show you most of them, or at least one of each of the different types of salads that I make, I'll be making. So God bless you all. This is Bonnie B. Hawkins, and I hope everyone is doing fine out there. And, of course, like I said, you've seen all the... So until next time, this is Bonnie B. Hawkins, and I'm going to see you guys later. God bless you all. Okay? Hope everybody's doing fine out there. Yes, I am in the process of preparing a sandwich for my lunch. This is Bonnie Hawkins. I'm going to have the roasted chicken, roasted turkey and bologna, lettuce and tomato and onion sandwich. And this is from this packet of the roasted chicken. It says smoked roasted chicken. And this is what I'm having out of for my lunch. This is Bonnie Hawkins. I hope everybody's having a beautiful, blessed day. Okay, I'm about to put the sandwich together. God bless you all. Okay, so here's my sandwich. I'm about to put the top on it. I got all of my ingredients that I'm going to be having, which again is turkey bologna, and the roasted chicken, smoked chicken, deli bologna, and of course the lettuce, tomato, and of course I love onions and mayo, and I'm about to put the top on the sandwich. Okay, and here we go. That's my eating healthier lunch for me today. I don't want to have anything else with it except for either a little orange juice or a little bit of just the water. Okay. Anyway, this is the sandwich for my lunch today. This is Bonnie B. Hawkins.